Welcome to this lesson on coefficients. In algebra, you will often see numbers sitting right next to letters. Today, we are going to learn exactly what those numbers are called and what they do. Before we dive in, let's quickly remember what a variable is. A variable is simply a letter, like X, Y, or B, that stands in for a number we don't know yet. It is a placeholder for a value that can change. So, what is a coefficient? A coefficient is the numerical factor of a term containing a variable. In simpler words, it is the number that is being multiplied by the variable. It usually sits directly to the left of the letter. Let's look at an example. Here we have the term 4a in this term. A is the variable. The number 4 is multiplying the variable a, therefore, the coefficient is 4. Sometimes you might see a variable all by itself, like this x. Does it have a coefficient? Yes, it does. When no number is written, the coefficient is always 1. So, x is actually the same thing as 1x. Coefficients can also be negative numbers. In the term negative 3y, the number multiplying y is negative 3. And if you see a negative sign with no number, like negative x, the coefficient is negative 1. Coefficients aren't always whole numbers. They can be fractions too. If you see x divided by 2, that is the same as multiplying x by 1/2. So, the coefficient here is 1/2. When you have a longer algebraic expression, you can identify the coefficient for each variable separately. Here, the coefficient of x is 4. The coefficient of y is negative 7, and the coefficient of z is negative 5. It is important not to confuse coefficients with constants. A coefficient is always attached to a variable. A number that stands alone, without any variable attached to it, is called a constant. In this example, 3 is the coefficient and 8 is the constant. Let's summarize what we have learned. A coefficient is the number multiplying a variable. If you don't see a number, the coefficient is 1. Don't forget to include the negative sign if there is one. And finally, a number by itself is a constant, not a coefficient.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.